look at myself sometimes like it's not right. People out there with no food at night, and we say we care, but we don't, so we all lie. But what if there's more to this? And one day we become what we do, not what we say. We end up in all the shit that they're in, and roles are reversed, and it was different. And we were the ones with nothing to eat. We were the ones with blood in our street. We were the ones with only our screams, and they were the ones just watching on TV. And we were the ones broke down and torn, with our life at our back and our wife in our arms. And they were the ones like, damn, that's so sad. And we were the ones like, nothing ever changes. It's the only thing I know, that nothing ever changes. I'm looking down this road and nothing ever changes. No, no, nothing ever changes. Look at your dreams and your intention. Selfish it is for you to mention, turning your thousands into millions. Marry a model and then you have some children. Well, they got their dreams too, I imagine, like water that won't come back to kill them. Sleeping at night without a murder in some little town you've never heard of. Now look at your nightmares and all of your worst fears. Your car and your house and your girl, and it stops there. All these things you can't imagine losing. Like, oh no, what if that happened to me? But what you've got, they'll never have. To be like you, yeah, to have your chance to be like you before they